What's up, guys? So, last video we did the short shifter kit on the car with the upgraded bushings. Now we are doing a Megan Racing trans mount. By the way, if anybody's new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn post notifications on so you can keep up with the build. So this is the Megan Racing trans mount. We come over here. Right here we have the OEM one. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put a support and we're gonna hold the transmission up, but we're gonna take this brace off that holds the transmission up. And then once we take this off, we'll be able to take off the trans mount and then replace it. It should be a very simple installation. I'd say it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, but I'll let you guys know once it's done. Okay, so we have these four 14mm bolts that we're gonna take out first. So we're gonna remove those. There's one. There's two. Loose, and we're gonna now remove these four under here. You can see them. 4 bolts right here, or nuts. They're 12mm. Now we're gonna undo those. Okay, now that we removed that brace that's down there, now we gotta take the engine mount off. I mean the trans mount off. There's 2 14mm bolts on each side for this. On each connector, and then we'll replace it with the Megan Racing one. Okay, out with the old, in with the new. OEM trans mount, Megan Racing trans mount. You can see this thing is a lot more sturdy, rugged. It's got more support inside. This one's got, I mean, you can see the difference. This rubber is also like soft to the touch, and this one's hard. So now we're gonna put this one in, and we'll be done. We're bolting everything back up right now. We're gonna tighten it up. Nice little detail right there, really nice. Okay, last one in. Over here. And now I just gotta tighten it down, and we can put the trans mount, the trans support bar back. Now we got support bar. It's gonna go on there. And everything will bolt up. Honestly, probably the easiest install we've done in this car. As long as you have access to something that can hold up the transmission, this is a very simple job. I mean, it took us what? Almost around 10-15 minutes to do it. I mean, we do have a lift and everything, which makes it easier, but if it was on 4 jacks, probably a 20-30 minute job. I don't think it would be anything else. If you could do an oil change, you could do this. And then we have 4 more bolts. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Megan Racing trans mount install. It was pretty straightforward, and when paired together with the short shifter and the shifter bushings, made a huge difference. I recommend this to anybody who has a Genesis Coupe. So for the next Genesis video, we'll actually be installing a full ISR turboback exhaust. So that's going to include the O2 housing, test pipes, and the catback with no mufflers. I can imagine it's going to be pretty loud. So after the install video, I'll throw some sound clips at the end, and that should be coming out
in probably a week or two. I might next week have a video on a WRX install, so we'll see. It might be something a little different. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.